Friends, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So today we have the new topic and the new use cases for the Google Cloud. Like we have now, we can create the stateful managed instance and enable the load balancer to access the Apache web server. Our motto is like in case our Apache web server is running, if in case it goes down, so same replica, same instance, like the same Apache server will be launched without losing any data. Okay. So first we have to create the in template, then we have to create the instance group, and after that we have to install the MySQL and we have to create the required tables. Okay, then we have to install the Apache web server, then we have to set the home page. Okay, so what we have to do, first of all we have to go to the first step and we have to create the template. Okay, and you can see that this is the steps I have mentioned. Also you have to create the health check. Okay, and also you have to create the load balancer. Also we have to stop the Apache server and we have to check and see, and we have to check whether if we delete the instances of the Apache web server, the another replica is creating or not. Okay, so let's go to the step one and let's create one instances. So you can see I went to the Google Cloud Console. I'm opening the instances template. So why we have to create the instance template? The reason behind it, we have to create the instance group. Okay, so that we have to attach this instance group to the load balancer. So we have to define the health check. So health check will check the Apache home page. In case it not found, and then it will create the same replica, you can say same instances, you know uh, like to attach the required data. Okay, name like the Apache, okay, server, and you can select any like the series of the machine. So you can take as the by default one. If you go to the custom, also you can give the options to define the core and the memory, but I'm keeping the default one. And I have the image, we have the public image, like the I'm comfortable to take the centos. So but you can take as per your requirement, as per your convenient. Okay, so I selected the centos 7, and identity API access we can keep as it is. Okay, and we have to allow the HTTP and HTTPS because we have to configure the Apache web server. So I enable the HTTP traffic. Okay, and also yeah, we have to the management, we have to define the startup group. So whenever the new replica, the new VM would be created, at least the required the like the package would be installed automatic, right? So this is the script, and whatever the script I'm defining here, also I will update these commands in the video, so you can take a look on that and you can update accordingly. Just let me double check. Yeah, so I think yeah, it's correct. So other option, the remaining option we can keep as it is. I think it is not required to change. So let me create the template. You can see it is taking some time to create the instance template, and once created the instance template, so we can create the instance group. Okay, so our instance template is ready. So we'll meet in the next session so that we can create the instance group. Okay, then we can connect in the next session. Okay, thank you guys, thank you.